Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Michelle. I am going to do some games. I got a few new ones. I've got $100 here to work with. So let's go ahead and get started. These are two new ones that I got, and they are from Budgeting by Dina US. And this one is called, let's see, that's the second one. Okay, this one is Plinko Boom. And how you do it, you roll a dice and follow the number to the end and pay what is scratched. But if you, it says be careful not to land on the boom. And if you do, you pay $10. So, let's go ahead and get started. And you just play this like Plinko. So we're starting with 5. And then 4. 3. 4. 6. And 4. So we scratch right here. And this is $4. So let's go ahead and do one more. Okay, you start with 2, 6, 4, 4, 5, and 5. So we'll scratch right here. Oh, and it's a boom. So that one's going to be $10. So we're going to owe this one $14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And we'll stop with the boom on that one. And this is a newer game that Dina just came out with. And I saw her play it on her channel, and I thought it looked like it would be fun. So we got, we put $14 into that one. Okay, and then this next one is called Amazing Savings. And how you do on this one is you pick a color to start with. You get red, yellow, green, and blue. So I picked the red, and it says follow the first color and pay $2 each. Land on the wrong color and pay $3. Land on a white and pay $5. Land on finish and pay $10. So what you're supposed to do is get like a line going, and these can't be diagonal. So I tried this way, and this was a white, and I tried this way, and it was a yellow. So it's got to be here or here. I'm going to go this way. Okay, and that one is a red. So this one is going to be $2. Because when you get the right color, you put in 2. Okay, so we'll go ahead and it can be here or here. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, and that one is a red. So that one's the right color. So that one will be $2 more. So we'll add $2 more in, and we know this will be red because we've got the right angle. Okay, so that one's 2. Okay, let's just go another one. And then this one is a red. So it will be 2. We're going to stop there with it, and then next time we'll have to decide if we're going to go this way or this way. But I'll add $2 more in, and let's see what we can condense in here. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to take 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll go ahead and stick that in there. And we'll take a 5 for it. And we're going to add $8 in here. So far in this one, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And Dina makes a lot of games. I really like them. She has a game day. So if y'all haven't checked out her game day, go over there and check it out. It's Budgeting by Dina US. Okay, and this next one is from the Craft Bin. And this one is Hit the Jackpot. And you roll 3 dice on this one. And write the numbers in the game row below. If all 3 numbers are the same, you hit the jackpot and save $20. So we'll go ahead and roll 3. And we have a 5, 5, and 1. So 5, 5, and 1. So that's going to be $11 into it. Okay, and so far in it, let's see what we have. We have 10, 20, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 in it. And I normally do my games on Thursday, but I got the new ones in, and I wanted to try them out. So we're going to go to the next one. And these were very rough on me last week, so hopefully they're not as bad this time. This one is from Norellis Budget, and this is a Shut the Box. So we'll roll 2 dice, and that is a 3. So we'll mark out the 3, and we'll go again. And that one is a 7. So we'll mark the 7. And that one is 4. So we can mark the 4. We need some of these bigger numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll mark the 9. That one is 7. No, that one is 4, 5, 6. Okay, we can mark the 6. And that one is 6. So we'll do 5 and 1. We need the 10 or the 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I think that's it for us. So we're left with 10, 18, 20. So that's going to be a 20. So we might not get too far in these. I'm putting in 20. And I do another Shut the Box, so we'll wait and count it after I do it. Hopefully this one is a little bit better. Okay. We'll go ahead and roll. Okay, that one is 9. So we can mark out 9. And this one is from Reinventing Renee, and she is Nerd Budget Co. on Etsy. That's a 4, so we can mark it. 6, 7. And a 5. And these are high numbers, but you can save a lot quickly in these. Okay, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to do the 8 and the 2. So now I'm going to go to 1 dice because we've got the 3 biggest numbers. And there's the 6. We need a 1 and a 3. And that's 4, so we can do 3 and 1. So we shut the box on that one. So we will not have to pay any on it. So that's good. Okay. All right, this next one is Blackout Bingo. And you roll 2 dice and save the combination. This is from Ren over at Misfit Managed Budgets, and on Etsy, Misfit Budgets. So we need to roll 2 dice and see what we're going to do. That's a 1 and a 4. So 1 and 4, that one's going to be $5. So we'll add $5 into the bingo. And it looks like I've got a lot of ones in this one. Okay, in the Blackout Bingo so far, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So I think I have 10 ones. I'm going to see if I can buy back a couple of these 5s instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. So we'll add a 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That'll help with those ones. Okay. Okay, this one I just got, and I haven't played it yet. So, let's see here. I've got my envelopes a little mixed up. I need to make some cards that's got the names of the games. Okay, and this one is from Hey K Budgets. And this is a s'more or less. And you add a roll of dice and add s'more or less. So we will roll a dice. And that is a 1 and a +3. So we will add $4 into this one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $4. Okay, let's try one more on this. And that is a 5 and a -1. So that will be $4 more in that. So I'm going to mark 4 and 4 here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got $8 in the s'more or less now. And on this bottom one, you pick how much you want to times, divide, let's see, multiply, divide, plus, and minus is the way it is. Okay. This next one is Plinko, or Pinko. And this one is from Fairy Rose Cottage. And we will do it. And down here, the little Barbie heads, they have your determined amount. So you roll a dice. Mark that in the top row. Continue rolling, working dice down. The last dice you roll determines which of the icon amounts you save. So you do this just like Plinko. And we got a 2 and a 6 and a 5 and 6, 4, and 1. So we will save $6 on this one. So that is a 5 and 6. Then we'll go ahead and add it in here. Okay, and that's the last one I have. Let's see how much. Let's go back on these from Dina, and let's try those a couple more times. I do have some more money left on it, so I don't want to do shut the box again because it can be a little expensive. So let's go back to this one. Okay. I won't need that. I will need this. Okay. And that's a 3, a 1, another 1, a 4, a 6, and a 4. Oh. Okay, so we go right here. And that's a boom. So we're going to do $10 more in this one. And like I said, Dina makes some great games. She's got a new one. I think it's called Shipwrecked. It looks fun too. So we're going to add 10 into here. So now in this one, and this is Plinko Boom, we've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So that's pretty good to just be getting started. But y'all make sure to go over and check out her games. She has a game day. I'm not for sure what day she does those. I can't remember. I don't need to roll the dice for this one. Okay, we got to decide, do we want to go down or over? And I'm going to go right here, and that's a yellow. So that is the wrong direction. And somewhere here is a finish. And that's what you do. You go until the color meets the finish. But that one is wrong. So land on the wrong color and pay $3. So 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to go here. So that one is right. So we owe $2. So I'll stick $2 more. Okay, now we got to decide to go over or down. I'm going to go down this time. And that is right. So that is another $2. So 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna put a 5 in here. Okay, now we gotta decide, do we go down or over? And I'm gonna try this. All right, that's right too. Okay, so that's $2 more. And then we got the blue right here. So I'm going to do this one. And that's white. So a white is pay $5. So that works out. I got a 5 left. And now we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to just, do we go here or here? I will pick here. Okay. That's $2 more because that's the right direction. So I can add 2, and I've got $2 more. I'm going to risk it. If we get the wrong color, we can have an IOU. So we need to go down or over, and I'm going to keep going over. Okay. We're still on the right direction, so that's my last $2. So in this one, And this one is called Amazing Savings. So, let's see what we got in here already. Okay. And these add up quickly, but small amounts. So, that's good. Okay, in the Amazing Savings so far, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So that's pretty good to just be starting on these. And we will stick that one in there. And that's all the money I have. So y'all make sure to go over and check out Dina's Etsy. She's got great little games and stuff too. She is to her, she does have her watch hours. She likes, I think, 40 subscribers to get to her, her 10K. So y'all go over, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to her. Give her a little watch hours, give her a little love, and that way her birthday, I think she said, is next Wednesday, and she wants to try to get it by then. So hopefully she can. She's really a nice lady. So I appreciate you all, and make sure if you haven't got the freebies that I gave out, they are on my community post, so you can get those there. And I've got 2 sets. So I appreciate you girls watching, and thank you all.